Hello everybody and welcome back. My name is Daniel. Plaid's not a fad because a fad had to at some point been in style, Falvo. And today we're finally going to be talking about triangles. Triangles show up everywhere from GPS to the bottom of my shoe here. Let's get learning. So a triangle is a polygon with 3 sides and 3 angles. The symbol for a triangle is this, a triangle. Pretty brilliant, right? For example, this is a triangle, and this is a triangle, and this is a triangle, and this, 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 and this. And geez, someone should really figure out a way to classify all these triangles. Oh wait, mathematicians already did that years ago. Let's see what they did. The first way mathematicians like to classify triangles is by side length. The most pristine